Yo, what's up? Here we are back with a little bit more Risk of Rain 2. I'm still just a noob playing these roguelites, trying to figure them out. I'm not sure around for that ride of watching me learn the ropes of roguelikes, and go ahead and hit that like button, and if you won't want to miss anything, go ahead and subscribe. Ooh, wait, what's that? Broken healing drone. What's over there? Probably nothing. Donate a new altar. What does that mean? Huh. I don't know what that meant, but whatever. Whoa! Almost jumped right off the edge of the earth. Right off the edge of the planet. Hey, what the heck just plowed me for that amount of damage? Alright, let's see. Now, I don't even know, are these maps randomly generated, or is there, like, are they set? Is there multiple maps? Like, is this first zone the same every time? You just might spawn in a different spot? I really don't know the answer to those questions, so if you do, let me know in the comment below. Let's open up this and take reduce incoming damage while sprinting, huh? That's kind of specific. Let's go. Anything up here? Like, should I be super explorative? Should I just run around, look for the altar, and move on? These are the questions I have. Let's go around this way. I saw something over here. I don't have any straps, so I'm not gonna... I like this guy because I'm gonna aim. Makes it a little bit helpful when you don't know what you're doing. Gain a temporary barrier on kill. It's okay. I don't feel like I always get it on kill. What about that though? How long does it last? Crowd, toggle the fire. Plus gold. Well, that sucks. Go away. Stupid floating skull. Leave me alone. Whoops. Boy, this music slaps. Turn invisible at low health. Well, that seems kind of cool. I don't know if it's any good. We'll take that, we'll take this. Shoots gunner turret. Oh. Once again, got the stationary turret that just sits there. Seems like such a pointless thing. Randomly create a ward of power. All characters deal bonus damage while in the ward. 2 seconds after getting hurt. Any temporary barrier on kill health. Let's take that one. All right. Is that the altar? Yes, it is. Let's move on to the next. Come on. This guy leave me the fuck alone. Jesus! Like, why am I not firing? There we go. I don't know why I wasn't able to fire this, but... Where was the altar? So where's this guy's? What's this? Dealing damage heals you. For how much? Let's teleport to the next one. On to the next zone. Thought I was gonna get killed there. He snuck up on me. There's a few chests like right here. 3 of them, so they're gonna stay here for a bit. That thing what does it do? Oh, that's my drone. They're trying to shoot it. 62? Okay, I can get that one. Hands on hit to attach a bomb. Okay. Not bad. I still need another 62 and iron 24. Take that, you little prick. going on the level up? What's a level up? Like, what happens when I level? I didn't even know you could level up. Whoa! Frick. Come on. I'm doing something more to get this last one. What do I gotta do? Whatever. I'd like to get something that at least sounds good. Come on, I need something good. Something that synergizes with other stuff in my build. Let's go see what's in here. Anything good? Increase damage to enemies within 13 meters by 20%. Increase damage to enemies within 13 meters by 20%. Deal 75% damage to enemies above 90 health. Alright, I guess I didn't take it more. Okay, let's keep going now. That. Ooh, something else over here. Maybe it'll be good. Some more chain lightning or something. Oh, because something that helps clear a room. It's attack speed by 15%. That sounds pretty good. Alright. 15% attack speed. We'll take it. Pretty good. Healing and stuff. A ukulele, I think that's more chain lightning, isn't it? here. We can get... Okay. More armor-piercing rounds. Question mark, or sprint speed again. There's the altar. I do like the increased sprint speed, that's for sure. Holy crap! Jeez. I just can't get a break in this game. Dead from blunt trauma. Dead from blunt trauma to the face. That's pretty specific. Blunt trauma to the face. So thanks for watching this run. Hopefully I will continue to get better, especially if you leave some comments on what I'm doing wrong. But if you'd like to join me for this journey, please go ahead and hit that like and subscribe button, and I thank you for watching. Have a good one.